Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have the full spoilers for the Ipsy September bag. Now this is the standard bag. This is the one that is $10 a month. It will soon be $12 a month. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. I also go a little bit off track sometimes and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Nicole Davis. Nicole says, hoping to be able to get more subscription boxes soon. Hope your day is doing fabulous. Well, Nicole, thank you. I am doing very good today. Very good. Thank you for asking. Now, this ain't Nicole's first time. Y'all, so Nicole, thank you so much for having your bell on and taking the time to comment and watch my videos. I really appreciate it, and I love you so much. Now, guys, let's jump into these spoilers. Now, there are just so many. There's too many to name, so I'm just going to pop them up on the screen everywhere and just keep talking through this video. Now, I went on Ipsy's Instagram this morning, and they said their site was down and people were having problems getting their add-ons, so I don't know. They might have that fixed by now. They should have that fixed by now because, you know, add-ons are only 24 hours. But now they did up that to where you can get up to 5 add-ons every month. So that's really neat. And then the new bag, you know, is coming out in October. So I can't wait to see that one. Now that is the, well, I forgot what it was called. But anyways, and if you want to see the Ipsy Plus spoilers, I'm going to link them down below for you. Now, I think this video is going to be up before that one, so if the link is not down there yet, it will soon be, not too long after this video goes out. I try to get them out at the same time, so, and you know, the first of the month, I call this crunch time, because this is when all the spoilers are coming out, and I barely have time to film anything with me in it. So, if I get a video out with me in it, well, consider yourself lucky, or consider myself lucky. I got a video out, so that'll be good. Anyways, guys, this is all the spoilers now. And of course, if they reveal any more spoilers, and of course, you know, October spoilers, that should be up pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow or the next day we'll have an October spoiler, I'm pretty sure of. And as always, Ipsy's going to be linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, to read the pick comment from my last video. Congratulations, Carla Stevens. Carla says, I'm always last. Well, Carla, no you ain't, because you got picked. So, I appreciate you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you might be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. You're subscribed to my channel. That way you're a part of my family. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept the gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then if you would, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up. That thumbs down button, it don't even work. I don't even know why YouTube's got that thing down there. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up on this video. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking. And then one more thing before you guys head out, if you would, go ahead and turn your notification bell to on. That way you get all the spoilers. You won't miss no more spoilers. Or none of my videos for that matter. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.